Asslamuelikum everyone. Do you guys want to make this cool 3D outro animation for your edits? Let's get started. First, open Blender. Click anywhere on the screen and press A to select all items, then press Delete. Go to the Add menu at the top and add text. Hold Alt and left-click to drag it. Now press Tab to enter edit mode and type in your channel name or any text you want. Use the scroll wheel to zoom. Now go to the side menu, click on the font icon and select your favorite font. Then select your text and press RX. Then type 90 on your numpad to rotate it 90 degrees on the X-axis. Press 1 on your numpad for front view. To drag, press and hold Shift-Alt and use the left mouse button. Go to the geometry section on the side panel and press 7 for top view. Now, copy my settings. Select your text, right-click, choose Convert, then Mesh. Right-click again and choose Shade Auto Smooth. Select all your text and press Tab to enter Edit mode. Press 1 and enable Vertices mode. Now select each letter one by one and press P, then choose Separate by Selection. Repeat this for all letters. Now select your text and go to the Modifiers tab. Click Add, then choose Solidify. Copy my settings. To select all, then press Ctrl L and select Copy Modifiers to apply strokes to your text. Press Tab. Now again select your text and press P on your keyboard and select Separate by Loose Parts. Double-click your collection to rename it to Fill, then create another collection named Strokes. Select all the strokes while holding Shift. Press Alt to drag as you select, then open the Fill collection and move the selected parts into strokes. Now let's add some materials. I'm using Blender Kit for this. If you don't have it, you can download it from the description. For the strokes, I'm choosing gold. Press the material preview icon to see it. Select all, press Ctrl L, then link materials. Hide the strokes collection. For the fill, I'll choose glow in the dark material. Select all, press Ctrl L, then link materials. Next, let's set up the scene. Press Shift A and add a plane. Select it, press G-Plex, and move it to the center. Scale it by pressing S, then rotate it by pressing R+X and typing 90 on the numpad. Press G+Y to move it backward. Now, go to the Materials tab, click New, and copy my settings. Press Shift-A again to add a camera. Enter camera view by pressing 0 on the numpad. To move the camera, press Shift-tilde, that's the key below your ESC button, and use WASD to navigate. E goes up and Q goes down. Set your camera angle, then copy my settings. For animating the text first, hide the camera and plane. Press A, then go to Object Panel, set Origin to Geometry. Drag up the timeline and follow my steps. Press A then I and select Location and Rotation. Move to the first frame, press G+Z, move the text upward, then press I again to set location and rotation. Do the same for G+Y to move it backward. Finally, rotate the text as you like by pressing R and using your mouse. Click anywhere, then press I to set location and rotation. Do this for all the letters. Now, go to the Rendering tab and copy my settings. Choose your output folder. Then click on the camera icon and enable the necessary options. All set. Press Ctrl F12 to render your video. Once rendered, open After Effects and import your render as a sequence. Add background footage from the description. Add a clouds video and apply the change to color effect. Copy my settings. Add a lightning video. Right-click, go to blending mode and select Add. Copy the effect from the clouds video to the lightning video, then pre-compose them. Next, add your animation to the composition. If it's too short, stretch it a bit. To remove the background, go to the Effects panel, search for Luma key, and drag it onto your animation. Copy my settings, then pre-compose it. You can optionally add the Twixtor-Pro effect for smoother visuals. If you do, just copy-paste it to the second layer. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.